If Photopea is not working for you right now, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. Whether Photopea is frozen, not loading, crashing, showing a blank screen, or just refusing to open properly, these troubleshooting methods can usually get it working again in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing to try is a hard refresh. This is one of the simplest fixes, and it works because it forces your browser to clear the current page load and pull in the newest version of Photopea instead of using outdated cached files. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift and R together. If you're on a Windows, press Ctrl, Shift and R, or you can also try Ctrl and F5. After that, wait a moment and see if Photopea loads correctly. If Photopea is still not working, the next step is to test it in Incognito or private mode. This is important because Incognito mode bypasses a lot of normal browser issues, including problematic extensions, corrupted cache, and custom browser settings. On Mac, open a private window with Command, Shift, and N. On Windows, use Ctrl, Shift, and N. Then go to photopea.com and test it there. If Photopea works in Incognito mode, that usually means one of your extensions or browser settings is causing the problem. Now let's check for ad blockers and privacy extensions. These are very common causes of Photopea not working properly because they can mistakenly block important scripts or WebAssembly files that the app needs to run. Look at your browser toolbar and click your ad blocker or privacy extension icon, then disable it for photopea.com or add Photopea to your whitelist. Once that's done, reload the page and test it again. If Photopea opens normally after this, then you found the cause. If it still isn't working, the next step is to clear site data and cookies for Photopea. Sometimes corrupted local storage, broken session data, or old autosave information can prevent the app from launching. To do this, click the site icon near the address bar, which may look like a lock or a tune icon depending on your browser. Then, open site settings or cookies and site data. From there, choose Clear Data. After clearing it, restart your browser completely and try opening Photopea again. This often fixes startup issues and loading problems. Another very useful fix is to enable hardware acceleration and WebGL. Photopea uses your computer's graphics support to render the workspace smoothly, so if hardware acceleration is turned off, the app may lag, freeze, or fail to load properly. Open your browser settings and search for hardware acceleration. Look for the option that says, Use graphics acceleration when available and turn it on. After that, restart your browser and try Photopea again. This can make a big difference, especially if the canvas appears blank or the interface feels broken. If none of those steps work, try using an alternative domain or a different browser. Sometimes the issue is not Photopea itself, but the browser engine or a temporary domain problem. You can try the official mirror at vcpea.com, which may load more reliably in some cases. You can also open Photopea in another modern browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Brave. Switching browsers is a great way to confirm whether the issue is browser-specific. So to recap, if Photopea is not working, start with a hard refresh, test in Incognito mode, disable ad blockers and privacy extensions, clear site data and cookies, enable hardware acceleration, and finally try a different browser or the alternative domain. One of these fixes usually solves the problem. If this video helped you fix Photopea, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next one.